Hi friends, welcome back again to this new video tutorial with the OSP Pro. In this video simply today I'm going to show you how I happen to create up this system for my friends. Now this is how the system tend to work. If you try to run it, just try to put some values there. Whatever you're giving for students, you should just be getting such kind of information. Now in this system I didn't put the if condition whereby if someone gets below, you can actually give the what? To say that you have failed. So let me just do that very fast. So you can also whip up all the stuff which really happen to enter in the codes. So you can always just go to reset, whereby the reset can just remove everything. And I think if you try to see if you enter some values, if that's the values you've entered and you click here, I think you can see the calculation of the results. So let us just add that, show you the real how the system is made. So I use Excel to make the system. This is just a label. So this video is mainly for my friend from YouTube. If you happen to cross check on this previous video, which I happen to create that calculate total marks and average of a student, this is the video. And I have my friend here, which is this guy here. He sent me some 3 hours back. So this video is mainly for him. So I will simply say it's his video, but also I also have other people commented on my Google, though I may not happen to show you roughly at the moment, but someone's commented on Google, so telling me I have to make for him the same video. So I said fine, let me just try to make the same video for anyone who would wish to use, who may get confused. So this is just a frame. If you try to see, this is a frame. If you check here, it's the frame that I happen to use. This maths, English, biology, Arabic. Then this is total marks, and then this is for average marks. Then this one will calculate the marks as you just can see. So this is a text box 1, this is text box here. This is where is text box, this is text box, which happen this text box, and this are labels. So if you try to see, I just see this text box 1, I think you can see here this text box 2. So members, sorry for inconvenience, but okay. Now I'll say that. So if you come back into the system here, I've already explained that this is total. So let me just go to the coding. So I put the calculate, this is a button, double click here. So if you try to cross check, I say declared them maths as double, and English, biology, total, and everything average as a double. Then I came calling them by name. So remember maths, it was text box 1, this is text box 2, 3, and 4 to Arabic. So to get total, I said text box maths, English, biology, and Arabic. And so text box 5, which would have been for total, is going to be the text which is going to be total, and at the end of the day information will be calculated. And to get the average, you do the same thing, which is going to be total over the number of subjects, which are 4, and then at the end of the day that's text box 6, and then we'll get that. Maybe you can just put some if condition down here. So if text box now here you can just put that if average is less than 51, if the average is less than 51, or if average is less than 51, whereby that implies if it is 50, we expect something. So if average is less than 50, then what should happen? We should get a message box. A message box should pop up for us, telling us that you failed exams. You get something like that. You failed exams. Else, they should print for us. So I'm just going to copy this very same stuff so that I don't waste a lot of time. Else, print for us the same thing. Else, it should print for us you passed exams. You get that implies if it is above, the otherwise it shall be else. Condition to say pass exam. So this is it. So if I put here 9, if I happen to run there, I didn't put end if, sorry for that. Let me just try to do it very fast. I didn't put end if, so let's put end if here down, end our program, and if. So that's it. So if I happen to run this system again, I put just some values there. If I put here, should you tell me you failed because you have got less than 50. And if you happen to put we got above 50, just like that, if you get above 50 and you calculate, you say you passed. So let's just try to... Okay, that's it my friends. I think you have enjoyed the video, and that's it. So if you happen to end the videos values which are very big like that, so if you do so, you should get you have passed, and if maybe you fail to get zeros there, that's it, you have to be when you have failed. So if you know this video has helped you, make sure you subscribe to my channel, and that's it. OSP Pro always. Thank you.